Today we're going to show you how to make a s'mores maple old fashioned. My name is DG from Solo Stove. Today we're on the beautiful WhistlePig farms up here in Vermont. To start, we're using the Solo Stove WhistlePig CampStock Wheat Whiskey. You're going to need some maple syrup. You need some chocolate bitters. And lastly, to make it a s'mores old fashioned, you need to garnish it with some marshmallows. We're going to toast it over the Solo Stove Mesa XL tabletop fire pit. We're going to start using the WhistlePig Solo Stove CampStock Wheat Whiskey. We're going to do 1.5 ounces. Then you're going to use a 1/4 ounce of syrup, 3 dashes of chocolate bitters, and then it's an important step, you got to mix it until the syrup and the bitter all mixes together with the whiskey. We're going to roast at the same time the marshmallows. Toast it how you like, and when you're done with that, that's how you make a s'mores maple old fashioned.